So when you open up a Jupyter Notebook, there are various ways to start coding. And the page that contains the whole Jupyter Notebook consists of different sections. These are basically some of the sections that you can, for example, save Jupyter Notebook in different formats when you are done with coding and everything. For example, you can save it as a Python code or PDF or other versions. And there are some shortcuts also here for adding new cells or saving the Jupyter Notebook or running the cells. In addition to these buttons here, there are another way of using keyboards to do different tasks in Jupyter Notebook. To do that, you need to understand what are different modes when you are in the notebook. When you are in the writing modes, you will able to write inside any of the cells. For example, here I just write anything I want. For example, importing Honda's package. But if instead of being in the writing mode, you use the escape button in your keyboard, ESC. Then you go to the command mode of the Jupyter Notebook. In this mode, there are many ways to manipulate the Jupyter Notebook. For example, when you are in the command mode, if you click in your keyboard a new cell is appeared above the cell that you were already. Or if you click B, you see that a new cell comes under the current cell that you were clicking. To get all the shortcuts methods that you can use through your keyboard to manipulate different parts of Jupyter Notebook, when you are in the command mode, you need to press H. As you can see here, there are various ways to manipulate the Jupyter Notebook. Here, A and B are the commands that I just talked about. You can use X to remove a cell, etc. Another mode that Jupyter Notebook has is the writing mode when you are not coding. For example, if you're explaining your code or you're writing equations. Jupyter Notebook uses Markdown style for writings that are not code. To do that, when you are in the command mode, again, to remind you, you need to press escape and then press M. You see that now you are in the command mode. When you are in the command mode, you can write whatever you want in the Markdown style. And then you can here click run. You can see that it runs as a text, not as a code. But if you run this cell, you see that it's running. So when you run a cell here, this is the line number. When it's running, it is substituted with a star. As long as the star exists there, it means that your cell is running.